Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add watermark from page 3 in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to add watermark from page 3. Go to the third page, then click right button on our mouse and select the insert section. Then go to the view menu, click master page option and go to the insert menu, then click draw text box, then draw the text box to this page, then write the watermark text. Then select this text and increase the font size. You can change the color, select the text fill option and change the color. Then rotate this text. Then go back the master pages menu, click close master page. Then go to the first and second page, then press shift on our keyboard to select these multiple pages and click right button on our mouse and go to the master pages menu, select none. Then we check the all page and we can see we add watermark from page 3 very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.